This is Ray, owned by the Mahers in Pierre, South Dakota. What we're going to do here, Jamie, is just go through a little dead bird work with shotgun and then go to some clippers, birds that she can chase. So I want to just show you her being excited about being out here, and Brian's going to throw a dead bird first here with the shotgun. Okay, hunt him up, hunt him up. So you can see on just a shotgun round, she's still going hard. Good girl.
Good girl, Ray. Yep.
Here. Good.
On a clipper, sometimes when you reach, she'll kind of spit back. So just be ready for that.
To let go of it?
Yeah, like she gets in close, and then it'll run. Just keep letting her chase.
Oh yeah, I would let her chase it anyway.
Yep.
If she lets go and it gets close. Yeah, so you guys can see she's pretty excited about wanting to go. So this will be a clipper. So this is going to move and chuck her. Okay, hunt him up, hunt him up. Here.
Good girl, Ray.
Atta girl.
Like here when you reach, she might drop it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yep. Good girl. You can do one more of those, Brian, and then we'll stop. And Brian's going to throw another clipper. You guys can see, she's excited to go. Big thing is the. Okay, hunt him up, the gun. Here. There you go. Here, good. Good girl. Drop.
Yeah, she's coming right back.
That's Ray. Jason's doing some clipper work.